Let's play Redactle for Tuesday, July 19th. I'll be playing on Redactle Unlimited. Unlike the original, if you click on a word, it shows the length. So we have a 12-letter word as the title, which makes me suspect it's going to be something scientific again. In 8-7, 5-4 of 8 is 10, with an and then some 12-letter word with a 4-4, but with opposites 8-7, and then 4 as 8-6. I'm thinking such as, okay, for 7, the 12 of the 8 is the 8, 4, 5 as an 12. So I presume this 12-letter word that keeps coming up is the title. 5, the 8, 3, a 8. So is the 3-letter word has? Yes, has a 8, 5, 6. The 8 has a 8, 8, 6. And is 8, 9, and 7, 5 of 11, 5. The opposite is 4, 4. The 12 of the 8 is the 8. I'm thinking the opposite is also true. Good. Let's see. 4, 9, maybe some, yeah, some something, such as the something. R something 5, 3, 12. Are never? No. How about not? No. It's got a lot of itses. Well, 5 of them. 9 for 4, 4 of 12, 8 for much, many. No, I'm thinking the 4 for more. No. 3 is 10 as the 6, 8. The 3, 4, 6. Within. So that's funny. Within is not one word. Within 5, 4. The 5. Oh, and then we have 7, 5, the 6, and then some prefix is something, the 12. Obviously not called, but anyway, let's scroll down a bit, see if there's anything unredacted that might help us. The 4 of 6. Because 6 is 9, it is not something to 6 and 12. Okay. The concept of opposite seems to be important in this article. We have a 7-letter word. Usually that's history. Okay. In some year. Long, I suppose. No? Something after the 10 of. Not invention or discovery of 9 by 4, 5. 4, 1, 8. So presumably that's somebody's name. Well, let's do some of these discovered type words. No. Discovery. 2 discoveries. Invented. No. Invention. No. Through the 3. The 8. 6 to 4, 5. Of a something. What are the common 2-letter words? B. Yeah, there we go. Let's do do as well. There are two do's. Maybe there might be a go. No go. That's a no-go area. Okay, oh, how about he? No. Okay, how about his? Excuse me. Oh, three hises. Okay, then we have 5, 4, 6. 9 of the da-da-da-da. As a, oops, a 6-letter word, as a result. Only one result. Okay. With 7 in his something, a 6 of 9 and 7, 7. That sounds like quite an old-fashioned book title. What would that be? A something of, and then in his 4, 5, maybe his paper. Okay. In his last paper? No, in his something paper. A theory, maybe. Oh, a theory of 9 and 7, 7. Not relativity, I think, but let's try it anyway. No. A theory of electricity, no. Of course, after yesterday's Farrago fiasco with electromagnetics, I'm a little skittish about anything to do with electricity. We do have something interesting coming up here in the next paragraph. Until something or someone, the theory was 10, 9 between 8 and 8, 7. 5 also, 9, a 8-letter word, something plus something, and then an arrow to something plus something, a 5-letter word. Could that be being? No. And 8, well, is that electron? Oh, okay. An electron and a proton. Okay. 10 to 4, 3, 7 to make, to give, yes, to give 3, 7. Okay. Okay, so 15 electrons, just 2 protons. Within someone's theory, Gauss, no. Boyle, no. Theory, the 7 of 8, 6 of the 8, 7. Let's do molecule, no. Molecular, no. We've done proton, electron. How about neutron? 1 neutron. Okay, now, let me go back to the start. Okay, so we do have electron in the first paragraph. For something, for 7 letters, the 12 of the electron is the 8. For some reason I'm thinking coefficient, but that's mathematics, right? Yeah. The something of the electron is the 8. Also known as, should have got that earlier, also known as an, and then a 12-letter word. maybe where the electron? No. Not when. Oh, let's try positive. Yeah. Oh, well, let's try negative. Okay. Something the electron has a negative 8,6, the 8 has a positive 8,6 and is 8,9 in 7,5 of 11,5. Let's look up charge. Okay. Has a negative something charge. Let me look up my favorite word, valence or valent. No. Okay, has a negative something charge. So something physics, I suppose, is the beginning of the sentence. In particle physics, something 5,4 of particle, every type of particle is gifted with, is something with something with the 4,4 with the same, okay, with the same something, 4-letter word, but with opposite, oh my goodness, is there a covalent? No. But with opposite something, oh, maybe charges. Did I do the plural? No, so that's what it was, but with opposite. So what is this 8-letter word that keeps coming before charge? And it can be a positive blank charge or a negative blank charge. My goodness. Let's try nucleus. To nucleus. How about nuclei? No nuclei. Some 9s, such as the 6, are 5, 3. Let's try some 3-letter words. All, any, new, old, one. Okay, some good lot of 1s. 2, not as many of that. 1 is 10 as the 6 particle. So I think 10, is that a fancy word for known? 1 is known as the 1, the 1, 4, 6. Right. So before the prefix, the 4-letter word, obviously the 6 should be prefix. Yeah. The prefix. What prefix do we see in particle physics? And then again we have is 10 the 12, implying 10 is some long word for known as or called. Particle dash 12 5 3 10 4 5 have must, may, might. Let's do could, should, and would. Oh, how about will? Don't call will on your father. Let's try no, Did I do not yet? Yes, I did. And now, okay, let's see our nows. If one now 6 down the 11, okay. Oh, so is the 7-letter word quantum? Yes, quantum something theory. Quantum field? Oh my goodness, how did I come up with that? 4, 7, 5 upon the 5, 8 and 8 of 9, 12 of a quantum field theory. One may 3 to 8 an electron field. One may try to identify. No, one may try to something. An electron field without having, without seeing, without 6. What is that? It has to end in ing, right? The 12 and 8, 9 by 7, where 2, 3, did I do has? Yes. Had. Are. Yeah, I did that. 2, 6, the quantum 7, 1. Well, let's try some x's, y, z, 2 z's, b, c, d, q, as something with the charges. That's interesting, comma, so maybe there's some unprintable character in between there. Particle and something have opposite 8, so again we have this 8-letter word before charges. Of course, since we are dealing with something, we have to have the 979. There's a 4-letter prefix. How about self? Well, no. However, if one now 6 down the 11, and then there's no period, maybe there's another formula there that has been removed here. When one, this one, that one, that the 11.5 of must, no, I did must, what is that 4-letter word before not be positive? Then must, may, might. Apologies if you can hear some machinery outside my window in the background there. Have any for something? How about true? No, the opposite. Oh, we already had that. Sorry about that. All right, let's look at our that's. The one that 6 in 6, 7, 10. The one that passes. No, the one that moves, the one that rotates. How about direction as an 8-letter word? Oh no, that's a 9-letter word. What am I talking about? There are 5 directions. because of the direction that's something 556, how about spin or spins? No spins, but we do have, okay, has the same something, where something, the charge, maybe knowing the charge, no, that is the 12, in 10, a 7 particle, and it's 12.9 under the same 1114 of the 855. The 12-letter word. If, and then again something missing, and can be, yeah, can be 7, 10 on the 9 and 13. Maybe even where, no, even flow, let's try flow, no. I never went down all the way to the bottom, although I think we've a good idea the area we're talking about. Here's C also. 4 of 9. Let's look up Einstein. No. 4. They're really the only two physicists I know. 1 electron, 8. Interesting. And then 5, 10, maybe references. Yeah. The search for, no, the something for something. In something, the for, the most, no, the quantum theory of 6. Okay, and then we have 8.5, 4.3 at 12.10 of 7. Okay, let's look at our most. Is the most 10 letter word, 6 of 9, 10 in quantum field theory 5. Quantum field theory today. Okay. This 9 is the most something of, maybe like the most pressing question, or the most something problem. The negative 6.5 of the electron field, 8 in 4. Maybe in part, no, in such, I did such. That's, oh yeah, well, that was the first word. Something such as the whatever. Can something in particle 12, such as the 5, 6, 8 at 4. At rest? No. Okay, let's look at the next. Such as 7, Z6, 1, 6, and 12, 9, and something 5. And then what's that 4-letter word after the year? In some year. Oh, soon after. I did long after, but soon after the and then someone with 4, 5. Well, let's try John. No, John's. No. Well, at least we have the middle initial of this other person. Something D. Something. Found that Yeah, found that 6-3 1085 in a 5-7 particle 8 and 569 or 9. 5 behind 6. How about right behind? No. So who is this something D? Not John D. Rockefeller. Bill? Is there a physicist called Bill? Mary D. Higgins? Michael D. The something charged to maybe ratio. Oops, Russian ratio. Yeah, so the charge to mass, ratio of particle, can be not identified, can be by not multiplying, is it? Well, maybe, or dividing. Let's try dividing. No. Multiplying by something. The 6 of 7 of its 575. What is that 8-letter word? Let's get physical. Physical. Let me hear your body talk. No, there is one physical. Oh, so one of the 8-letter words before charges was physical, but with opposite physical charges, but only one, such as something charge. How about static charge? No static at all. Must be FM. 4, 7, the 12 of the electron is the 8. Oh my goodness. Let's do which. See our whiches. Which can, because charge is 9. Did I do relative? I know that's 8, but that might be a good word. In something relative, maybe in time. Oh, that was a good one. In time relative to something something. Let me look at our other, so we just have those two relatives. Since all 8 are something relative to the 6, let me just check, did particle, let me do particles, let me try spelling it again. Okay, 14, okay. How about ion or ions? No. How about charm? Quark? No. How about right? Oh, I did right. Left? Nothing left. Having the same something of charge to mass ratio, but with opposite charge, and therefore opposite something charge to mass. Maybe ratios, plural? Yeah, okay. But that's the only occurrence of that. Having the same amount, but a fancy word for amount, 9 letters. Quantity, no, that's only 8. How about quality? No. about Nicholas Tesla? No. The 10 and 11, 4 found by someone, and 4-8 in some year at the university. At the University of 10 letters, and then, so that must be the city, and then an 8-letter country. What is that 8-letter country? That's not easy. Oh, how about Fermi? No. The University of something. Going through my countries here, starting in Europe. Can't think of any Scandinavian country with more than 7 letters. France, Germany, Italy, Switzerland is too long. Oh, I'm sure I'm forgetting an important one. Oh, Portugal, but no offense, Portugal, but I wouldn't have thought there would have been a lot of physics discoveries there. But anyway, gonna get into trouble with that. 9 of the 587 negative 6 quantum 6. Where's the verb in that sentence? Maybe the 7-letter word? Affects, causes, caused. Did I do by yet? Yeah, I did. Or no, it's not redacted. So, we have 2 so's. All of the 566, so that due to the 599, 2-5 electron could be made, could turn into, no, could something into 4. 9, however, one of, did I do these and those? No, I didn't do these. One of these negative 6 particles, negative, not charge, negative, to become a positive 6 particle. I did charge way back, right? No, maybe oh yeah, I did. There's charge. Right there. To become a positive something particle. But when 6 out, it would leave behind a 4 in italics in the something that would act something like a positive 6 electron with a 8 charge. These atoms, no, I did atoms, these 5, 4, 11 as negative dash 6, 9 by 4, 5 and 10, 10 with 7. Oh, in his some year paper, a theory of something and 7. What is this 6-letter word that comes after negative or positive and it's not charge? However, the negative something turned out to be something and not. So illusory, incorrect. No, turned out to be something and not real, not something. Even 5, even so, even there. Okay, there are some theres of 6 because there were 10 many negative 669. Even worse, oh, it could seem, it could have, it could take. I think I did take. No, I didn't. It could something, because there were infinitely many, not infinitely, but let's put it in anyway. Oh, there were infinitely many negative something, something, something. To counter this, no. To address this, no. To 7 this 10902 protect, no. To something this 58 that a sum, no, that a something of negative 6 thing, okay, so that due to the thing, no something electron could bump, could something into that. I did that into that a something of negative, a something in quotes. So maybe it's just like a simple everyday word that is being applied here. That a bun, a gun, no, a something, a lot, no, a something of negative thing. Wow. It would leave behind a 4 in the air, in the gas, one gas. Okay, leave behind 6 as they pass, no, as they something through the gas. So it's not pass gas. They leave behind traces. No, they leave behind something as they flow. No, as they something through the gas. Move. Did I do move? No, I did not. The something charge to mass ratio. The specific. No, the something charge to mass ratio can be measured. Oh, there we go. Finally, I got that word. That one's been bugging me for a while. The something charge to mass ratio of a particle can be measured by something the 6 of 7 of its in a something field. Electric? No. There are some, oh, the electric charge to mass ratio. Okay, I think this might be a good word to get. Yeah, so we have it up at the top. So that was another 8-letter word that can come before charge. So in particle physics, every type of particle is 10 with an 12 with the same mass, but with opposite is so, I'm thinking it's paired with, but some fancy word for paired, with an opposite. Well, we have the word opposite already, but with a twin with the same mass but with opposite physical charges. For example, oh, should have got that long ago. For example, the something of the electron is the, well, what am I forgetting in the atom? I thought the proton was the opposite of an electron. A neutron I thought was neutral, and then I thought the electron and the proton, but maybe not, also known as an something. And then what is 5? I've done where, right? Yes, so where, not when. Given, but we do have a given down below. Oh, maybe usually. Yes, usually given the prefix something is 10 the 12. How about space? 2 spaces. In 4 space. In this space, now I've done that, and we have done that. I've done such in 1 plus 1 arrow to 1. 6, 5 in 4 space because it is 10 to 8, 6 in this 7. However, in the 7 field of a nucleus, the 1310 is 6 and 6-6, 12 may occur. Okay. Occur in what kind of space? Tangential, no, because it is 10 to 8, 6. However, in the something field of a nucleus, quantum 6 of a particle and an 12 are 12 by the 811 of charge 11, 6 and time 8, and are 6. 7, 9 is, oh my goodness. Yeah, there's something missing in that sentence as well. We have a comma, and then a space and a period. If 7, the quantum 5 of a particle with 8 and spin, and 5, 9 in the z direction is something missing. 4, 1 has, each one has, no, we do have some eaches. Particle dash 12, 5 can 10 each other. Okay. Oh, the other usually given the prefix. Okay. So other was a good word to get. Let's look at our eaches first. Each 4 of 12. One is considered as... No. One is 10 as the something particle. Is it something like sister particle, mother particle, father particle? No. There was some other common word I was going to try there, but oh, I was going to try vacuum. Were any experiments done in a vacuum? The vacuum 5 is 7 as the 5 with no particle or something. And then we have 1, 1. Is that EG or IE? Must be IE. And period for the 6 of the vacuum is something. Oh, I wanted to try energy as well. Oh, there we go. A lot of energies. Let's go back up to the top, see do we have energy there? No. Where do we start seeing the energies? So this is in the 5-4 theory, not space-time theory. Something of the 5-8, da 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 da, as a result, an electron could 6-7 energy and 4 into a negative energy 5. To 7 this 10, 9. Maybe someone proposed, yes, that a 3, so this guy with 5 letters, that's not Fermi or Gauss, proposed that a 3 of negative energy 9, 5 thing, all of the something energy, so that due to the thing, blah, blah, blah. Is there any energy loss or lose? Gain? Gains? No. Okay, let's go back to our energies. A lot of them bundled together in this paragraph. What is the verb with 6 letters? One of these negative energy particles could be something out of this, and then, but when 6 out, it would leave behind a something in the 3 that would act. So a word like just like, identically like, would act practically, virtually. These something. Pi 4, 5, and 10, 10 with 7. I did particles, which would seem to fit. Yeah, but what is this negative energy 9? Looking again at our energy after this paragraph. Oh, sorry, I tapped the wrong word there. There we go. Within this five-letter named physicist, the 7 of 8 charge of the 8 7, some 6 also of 13, do not for the 5. Most, I've done some, yeah, do, okay. These 8 by 10 10 is negative energy, something of the same 10 6 field, i.e. particles 6 9 in time. Particle 12 12. A particle and 12 are in the something quantum sphere. No. Then they can something each other, influence, no, something each other and blank other particles. Equations, formulae, formulas, no. Something such as E plus E, so that's one of our things, goes to something. The 2 6 12, 2 headed, no, 2 charged, the 2 dash something 12, the 6 dash 6 12 of an electron, blah 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 blah. And what is the 4-letter word before space? All right. It's coming up on 53 minutes. I've guessed 200 words. This is not going to be a great performance today. Roughly know the area, but I'm going to wave the white flag at this point and check Google and see what this might be. Stand by. Okay, I did a Google. I saw a couple of words that I think might be in the article that I should have tried. So I haven't seen the actual answer yet. I'm just going to try effect. No, effects. I saw something about quantum effects. No, not that. And then I saw subatomic. So we only have one of those. Well, so much for Googling. Let me try again. Still haven't found the right article, but I see there was a British scientist, Paul Dirac, who has 5 letters. So let's try Dirac. There we go. So we do have Dirac, and what could this theory of his be? Something of the Dirac. Let's see. What's his theory known as? Oh, he has a lot of things named after him. Oh, I see he also has some shared with Fermi, but Fermi did not come up. Dirac hole theory. There's a common word, but I just would never have thought of that. So let me look at Dirac's hole theory. The continuum of negative energy states. Oh, I never did state, did I? No, are states. Okay, those I should have. In fact, I think they did cross my mind at one point. I just never typed them in, but yeah, shame on me. Okay. something of the Dirac blah blah negative energy quantum states. Okay. And then we had a guy called Sitta, no, who followed on. Okay, how about Beck? Odelay, no. Oh, beta decay. Well, we do have one beta via beta decay, I guess. There we go. So still not finding what this is, but at least we filled in the word decay. What other kind of... Oh, positron. I did not try positron. There we go. So that is the, I suppose, the counter of the electron. So let me actually get a definition as of a positron. Oh, the positron are anti-electron. That is 12 letters. No, that's not the title, okay. In particle physics, every type of particle is not congruent with an 12 with the same mass. Oh, antiparticle. I have a good feeling about this one. All right, so even with cheating by resorting to Google, it still took me 223 guesses. Wow, mean guess count of the 10 other players is 20 words. Now that is impressive. That is incredible. Anyway, never heard of an antiparticle before. I don't think I've heard of a positron. If I did learn it in school, I've forgotten it. I'll have to remember that one. Anyway, again, I lament that we have a scientific article. I do suspect they're overrepresented in the 10,000 base articles from which Redactle is selected every day. But so be it. Those are the cards we're dealt. If you've watched this far, even if you gave up, thank you for watching and have a great day.